Everyone, I'm Chef Scipione here representing Cento Italian Foods, and what we're going to do today is do a lemon rosemary grilled polenta using Bolino organic polenta with some sauteed mushrooms over the top. It's a great summertime appetizer for your home dinner party. So we're going to get started by just putting a little bit of olive oil in the pan. My pan has already been heating up, and you don't want it on a super sear, but you want to get it nice and hot because you don't want the oil to smoke. I'm going to grab my polenta, and we're going to make about half-inch slices. And the lemon, here comes the lemon part of it. We're just going to get some zest directly over the polenta. Next, I'm just chopping up just a tiny bit of rosemary. I'm going to go right over the polenta with it. Once that's on, what I want you to do is just get one side, and I'm dusting it with just a little bit of pecorino cheese. I'm going to start slicing my shallots. And while they're heating, you could actually start getting your shallots done in the side of the pan. Add a little more pecorino over the top. Okay, now that they both seared, about 1.5 minutes on each side, we're going to begin just to put them on the plate on the side. And so now we're going to go back to the pan, and we're going to add our mushrooms to already cooked seared shallots. Going to go in with a little more rosemary to the mushrooms. Going to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of crushed red, add a touch of our balsamic by Bolino. Again, repeating flavors, lemon zest directly into the mushrooms. So now that the balsamic is coming down a little bit, we're going to add a little bit of our Cento vegetable stock. Bring it over here and go right over the top of sweet balsamic. And of course the pecorino. Once again, this is a great dish to start out your dinner parties with. Simple, quick, inexpensive, convenient. For these products or some more recipe ideas, please visit cento.com.